What's up, my royal flush? It is I, J Heart, the Queen of Hearts, and I am back for another video. In today's video, it's going to be a foundation review. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. Kind of flip-flopping on getting this foundation because I don't know, like I just felt like it was kind of like out of season, like nobody's really talking about it anymore. But I thought, like, why not pick this up? Like, I don't give a fuck about what nobody else has done, but I personally have not done anything revolving around this foundation or this brand, really. So I'm just like, why not give it a chance and why not give it a shot, y'all know? But so I'm basically going to be doing a wear test, like, you know, like a wear test, how it lasts throughout the day, and different things like that. And I'm going to be like packing on like some, you know, powders and stuff like that, and see how it wears up under that, because I heard this is kind of like a friend of mine, Neon MUA, he said like this foundation is basically kind of like a dupe for the foundation, you know, the Fenty Beauty foundation. And so I'm like, I never had that before, but he said this has lighter coverage than that. So why not? You know, I'm just about to just give it a chance. So I just received this yesterday. No, I just received this today. So I'm like, oh my god, I need to review this as fast as I can. So the shade I picked up, I actually picked up two shades, but one got here before the other one, I guess. So this is the shade Cocoa, whatever. And the other shade I got was the shade before this one, which is Toffee. Because like usually I'm like a toffee caramel color in any other kind of brand foundation, really. So yeah, so with that being said, if you guys are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because you will not be disappointed in my future uploads. And also hit that bell notification as well to be notified for my future uploads. And let's just get into this video, y'all. So I already moisturized and not prime, but moisturize my skin, as y'all can see. So the primer I'm going to go in with is the Benefits Professional Primer. Now y'all already know how I feel about this primer. I've used this primer a lot, so let's just go right in. So as always, I'm going to be doing my brows off camera really quickly, and I'm going to be right back just to save time. Okay guys, so I'm looking pretty crazy right now. It's because I just did my brows, as y'all can see. And yeah, so let's just get into this foundation. So, okay, it do stink. It do. Oh my god, I forgot to wet my beauty sponges. Oh, well, they're semi-dry. I mean, semi-damp. So I feel like a sponge being semi-damp will give it actually more full coverage. So it's semi-damp and semi-dry and stuff. Well, this one is. So I'm about to just put this everywhere. Let's see how this looks. Y'all, this is really messy. Like the container already messed up. Y'all, this look good. I thought I wouldn't like it really, because I heard it's not really full coverage, and I love full coverage. I think it's giving me more coverage because I'm using a kind of like semi-damp sponge. It was like overnight drying, so okay. Let's see if I actually want more coverage or not, or if this is good. This looks really good. Oh my god, from afar this looks really good. But I'm about to see if I can build more coverage on this. So I'll be right back. Hold on. On like parts of my face that I want more coverage, which is like my beard area, because I will go ham around this area of my face. I'm just trying to get more coverage around my face. This looks really good, like for real. So I'm about to just go off camera real quick to finish the rest of my face, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I'm done with my base, and I cannot tell you what's on my eyes just yet, even though I know y'all are asking that question. And yeah, and I can't tell you which highlight I'm wearing today as well either, because those will be my future videos. So I'm going to come back. It's like around 6 o'clock right now, and I'm going to come back probably in a couple hours, maybe like 8 or 9, to finish off this video so I can have this uploaded by tomorrow, just like for a wear test. Really, well, it's like 6 o'clock, so I'll be back like around 9, yeah, like 3 hours later, because that's when I definitely can tell if a foundation is really good or not. But yeah, so I'll be right back. Hey guys, so y'all, it's been like an hour to, I think it's almost 2 hours now. It's 7:45, and I'm ready to take this off. It is looking really good, y'all. Like, the foundation is looking really good. Also, I was like laying on my blanket too, and it didn't transfer on my blanket at all, like, because I have it like down here. It didn't transfer at all, really. It's looking really good. Like, even though it's almost been like 2 hours, y'all, like, you know, it's not like I actually did a for real wear test, because I really didn't. I'm really tired, and I just want to go to bed. Like, I really do, to be honest. And I'm filming like 3 videos all in one day, so yeah, I'm probably filming another one after I finish this. But yeah guys, this foundation is actually really good. Like, I basically almost got full coverage when I put 2 layers on, like, you know, where y'all seen where I put it like down here, because up here I can do like light coverage, medium coverage, because right in this area my skin's pretty okay, but like I want to highlight the darkness of my face. So I put like an extra layer right there. But this foundation is really good. If y'all ever see it, this foundation is like $8. Y'all should definitely go pick this up if y'all do see it in y'all shade. I'm looking real bright up under the eye, y'all. I already know. I guess I need to go a little bit lighter with my concealers. Yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up, because it is greatly appreciated, and also helps me out a lot. And also hit that subscribe button if you are new and you guys like this video, because a lot of you guys watch but y'all don't subscribe. And yeah, and I will see you guys in my next video.